Story 2. A sage instructing boys said to them, "O darlings of your fathers, learn a trade, because property and riches of the world are not to be relied upon. Also, silver and gold are an occasion of danger, because neither a thief may steal them at once, or the owner spend them gradually, but a profession is a living fountain and permanent wealth. And although a professional man may lose riches, it does not matter, because a profession is itself wealth, and wherever he goes, he will enjoy respect and sit in high places. Whereas he who has no trade will glean crumbs and see hardships. It is difficulty to obey after losing dignity, and to bear violence from men after being caressed. One confusion arose in Damascus. Everyone left his snug corner. Learned sons of peasants became the viziers of padshahs. Imbecile sons of the viziers went as mendicants to peasants. If you wanted thy father's inheritance, acquire his knowledge, because this property of his may be spent in 10 days. And certainly you want to strengthen yourself in some other ways. It used to be in some parts of the world, whoever performed the best not only got the jobs accordingly, but the person who performed the best was the one who got the schooling. It wasn't just some, oh, the rich people, they get the schooling. Some areas actually stepped aside from that completely and said, hey, the best schooling is only for the people who test the best in the following areas.